Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2 times 12 divided by 2 times 3 by 4 root 2. So let's start with today's video solution. So people solve it like this: 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2 is 8 root 2 times 2 divided by 12 is 6 times 3 by 4 root 2, and they will cancel out the root 2 with root 2 and 4 with 8. This gives us 2 times 6 times 3 is 18 and 18 times 2 is 36, which is a wrong solution because we have to follow certain rules to solve this type of problem. So we are going to take the rule board mass. We follow this rule and then solve it, where B stands for brackets. You have to first solve the bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and at last subtraction. So what is the correct way to solve this? First, solve the bracket, write the all digits like same, and in bracket there are two symbols, division and multiplication. So according to Bodmer's rule, first we give preference to division. So 12 divided by 2 is 6 times 3 by 4 root 2. Now 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2 times 18 by 4 root 2. Now 5 root 2 plus, we'll multiply first then add. 18 times 3 root 2 is 54 root 2 by 4 root 2. Now we will add. 54 plus 5 is 59 root 2 by 4 root 2. We will cancel out root 2 with root 2. So 59 by 4 is the correct solution. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.